What if I told you the Galaxy S26 Ultra has features Samsung barely talks about? Features that can completely change how you use your phone every single day? Most people focus on the camera and processor, but the real magic is hidden in the settings. Today, I'm showing you 5 hidden Samsung features that actually make the upgrade worth it. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart tech tips, hidden features, and real-world smartphone upgrades, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra secretly powerful. 1. Built-in privacy display. First up, privacy display. This feature limits the screen's viewing angles, so only you can see what's on your display. Anyone sitting beside you? The screen looks dark or unreadable. Perfect for banking apps, private messages, and password entries. If you use your phone in public a lot, this alone is a huge upgrade. 2. Smarter AI that feels personal. Samsung's new AI system is more proactive than ever. It can 1. Give you smart daily summaries. 2. Suggest actions based on your routine. 3. Improve voice commands. 4. Instantly edit photos with AI object removal. 5. It's no longer just an assistant. It feels like your phone actually understands you. 3. PC-level multitasking. The S26 Ultra's large display isn't just for watching videos. You get 1. A PC-style taskbar. 2. Pop-up floating windows. 3. Smooth split-screen multitasking. You can literally run multiple apps at once like you're on a mini laptop. For productivity users, this is a big deal. 4. Extra dim mode for night use. Ever check your phone at night and get blinded? Extra dim mode lowers brightness beyond the normal minimum level. It's perfect for 1. Late night scrolling. 2. Reading in bed. 3. Protecting your eyes. 5. Small feature, big daily comfort upgrade. 5. Hidden performance boost. Now this one is for power users. Inside developer options, you can 1. Force GPU rendering. 2. Reduce animation speeds. 3. Improve overall UI smoothness. These tweaks can make your phone feel even faster than stock settings. Just use them wisely. Final thoughts. So yes, the camera is impressive. Yes, the performance is powerful. But these hidden features are what truly make the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra feel like a next-generation upgrade. It's about privacy, smarter AI, better multitasking, comfort, and performance, all in one device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you love discovering hidden tech features before everyone else, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.